What if time travel is possible today? Imagine a world where a simple device, perhaps resembling a watch or a sleek smartphone, could whisk you away through the fabric of time. The possibilities would be endless, and our understanding of history could be forever altered. Would you choose to witness the grand events of the past or leap into the future? As you turn the dial, anticipation builds within you. The air crackles with excitement and curiosity. Picture yourself stepping into this time travel device, heart racing as you select the year 1776. Suddenly, you find yourself in the midst of an electrifying atmosphere filled with revolutionary fervor. The sound of passionate debates fills your ears as visionaries and patriots discuss freedom and independence. You stand there, an unseen observer, as history unfolds before your very eyes. Would you dare to intervene, or would you merely soak in the profound moments that shaped our world? Wait, didn't you subscribe yet? Subscribe now for your loving content, and click the bell icon to get notified every single video. Now let's leap ahead to the year 3023. The surroundings are unimaginable. Futuristic skyscrapers gleam under a vibrant neon sky, and flying cars zip by like shooting stars. People communicate with holographic devices, and the blend of technology and nature creates a lush, harmonized existence. Yet what if you discovered a dark secret lurking beneath this dazzling facade? Could the future hide dangers we are not prepared to face? Or even worse, a world void of humanity? Time travel would not merely serve as a portal to past glories or future wonders. It would also demand ethical considerations. If we could alter events, perhaps preventing tragedies or catastrophic decisions, would we have the right? The paradox of changing the past can lead to unforeseen consequences. What happens if you save a life but inadvertently disrupt the timeline, leading to a more significant disaster? The lines between right and wrong blur, and the enormity of power weighs heavily. In this exhilarating journey through time, we must ponder, what does it mean to be human amidst all this possibility? As we hold the keys to the past and future, how do we ensure that our humanity is preserved? The notion of time travel invites not just adventure, but profound reflection on our choices and the legacy we wish to leave behind.